This lentil recipe will make your mouth water. To a saucepan, add coconut oil, and for the base we are using paprika, onions, garlic, chili pepper, and fresh basil. To the saucepan, add the paprika, onions, garlic, and chili pepper. Cover and on medium heat saute for around 7 to 10 minutes. The goal is to roast the peppers as this adds a lovely smoky taste to the dish. After 10 minutes, add ground crayfish, bouillon seasoning, ground ginger, curry powder, coriander powder, smoked paprika. Mix together and saute for 2 minutes. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Remove from the heat and set aside. To a blender, add lentils, which I already rinsed and soaked for 4 hours before use. Add the fresh basil leaves, the pepper mix, coconut milk, and blend until smooth. Taste and adjust seasoning as required. I can already tell you, the aroma in my kitchen is buzzing. I added some salt. Now pour the batter into a greased oven-safe dish. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade for around 50 to 60 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out dry. Once ready, remove from the oven, allow to cool for around 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point.